To add the rotary attachment, lower the bed by turning on the machine. On the screen, press the Focus menu button and then use the joystick to lower the bed. When ready, turn off and unplug the engraver. You must do this or it will destroy the rotary attachment. Place the rotary attachment in the engraver in the top left corner. If the engraver is off, plug in the attachment. Now you can plug the engraver back in and turn it on. Once on, the carriage will go to the rotary home position. Press Focus mode and use the joystick to lower the bed to fit your item. Press Done when finished. You can use the lever to hold the item, but this is optional. Add your item to the attachment. Shift the right side to evenly distribute the weight. Use the lever provided in the makerspace to make the item level in the machine. Turn the black nozzle to raise or lower the right side. Take the focus tool from its shelf and add it to the carriage as shown. Press the jog menu button, which automatically turns on the red light. Move the carriage over until it is center on the item. Then press Focus mode and raise the bed until the item is barely touching the focus tool. Press Done when finished. Remove the focus tool and return it to its shelf. Press the jog menu and move the red light to center on the item. You can use a post-it note or piece of paper to determine center on a clear object. When centered, press the centering point button, then press Done. Close the engraver. On the computer, plug in your USB drive and open Illustrator. Click New File and create a workspace that will fit on your object. Click File, then Open. Find your design on your USB drive and click Open. Right-click on your design and choose Copy. Click the tab to go back to the new design, and right-click, then click Paste. Edit your design to fit the space as you would like. Under Properties, rotate the design by 90 degrees as the item is turned the same in the engraver. When ready, click File, then Print. Make sure the Epilog engraver is the printer. Under Media Size, choose Custom. Click Print. This opens the Epilog driver. You can turn off the cameras as they do not work with the rotary attachment. Click the Advanced tab and then under Centering Point, choose Center Center. Turn on rotary and make sure the rim style is chosen. Click the Preview tab. Under Processes, click the Import Material settings and choose the material of your item. Click Import. Change the dithering pattern to your preference. Click the direction to make it bottom up for best results. Click Print. Turn on the air compressor and filter. On the engraver, wait for the job to load and make sure it is highlighted. Press Go. The engraver will engrave. Once finished, open the engraver and remove the item. Add another item and run the job again or repeat the process for a new design or item. Make sure to turn off and unplug the engraver before removing the rotary attachment.